Let's go outside and see the moon. It's over her. The moon is over there. It's glowing. It's not my best friend. Ma.
Active sila magpasok.
Ma. Say hi to my vlog. Here. There's my school. Lapit na yung school namin. Yan, doon yung school. Iwan ko kung nasaan yung bahay ni Bon. Doon ata. Doon ata yung bahay ni Bon eh. Iwan ko, doon ata eh. Doon ata sa kanto. Dito.
Ba't maaari pinagkulang nararamdaman sila? Pasok ko sa loob.
There's my school. Yeah. Let's go back to the house. This is my neighbors. Let's go to the back to the house. Let's go to the back to the house. This is my other tita. This is my other tita. Like this to walk. Okay, let's go inside. It's my step toy. I love him. His name is Mingin. Say hi, Mingin. Yeah, so. And this is my brother. He's eating. Nom. And my dad. This is my stuffs. Yeah. Got the chewy. This one. Fish. Cheese. This is my toy, but it's not working. Look. It's not working. There. Let's go find some more. Did you see that noise? Okay, this is my bubbles. And this is my puzzle. Kuwami. Kaya ko yung tapusin, guys. Okay, let's go sleep and get mingles. Yeah. And good night. Then see you next time. I mean, nakakapagod.